In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use Walmart Plus for gas at Exxon. Step 1. Open the Walmart app on your smartphone, and then tap on your name or account options on the home page to access settings. In the account options, navigate to your wallet section. If you have funds in your wallet, you'll see an option for Walmart Pay. Open Walmart Pay within your wallet, and then use the scanner feature within the app. Next, drive to the Exxon gas station where you want to purchase fuel. At the gas station, choose the option to pay with a QR code. Scan the QR code displayed at the gas station using the scanner in the Walmart app. And after scanning the code, your payment will be processed, and your fuel purchase will be completed. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.